So today's tutorial is on eyebrows, what I am infamous for. So we will be using Anastasia Dip Brow, and my color of choice is chocolate. And under it, I will highlight it with MAC. I believe this is NW40, don't quote me. That's why I'm saying don't quote me, it's off. So let's get this started. So, again, to all my divas out there, practice makes perfect. You cannot fill in your eyebrows once a week, twice a month, and then when it comes time for you to go to an event, you get upset because they don't come out perfect. Again, this is just like school. Practice makes perfect. So, I do my eyebrows every day, literally every day, unless I'm sick and I'm just in the bed all day long. But you can ask anybody that knows me to go to the supermarket, to run to the post office. Like, between eyebrows and just a little mascara, it goes a long way. You just never know who you're going to bump into, right? When you're always ready, you don't have to get ready. Okay, so this is to show you. I've had this for a while. This product, I don't recall how much it costs. I think it's between $18 and $25, but it's worth every penny. It lasts you forever. I cannot tell you how long I've had this, beyond months, okay? Because you only need a little bit of product. I also have the brush. The angle brush is very, very thin. Also by Anastasia. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. It's very thin, okay? So we are just going to lightly, very lightly, just tap on the inside. We're not scooping, no, because right now we are doing the outline for the brow, okay? I suggest whatever side gives you the most difficulty, right or left, I suggest you start on that side, because then it's easier to match the brow on the side that you're comfortable on. That's just my suggestion, okay? So for me at this point, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to come here. I start on the bottom, and I used to start here, but I stopped. So I'm going to come about right here, and I'm just going to start doing my outline. You see that? I'm tapping like 2-3 times. And now I'm going to come in on the top, again, not starting all the way from like right here. And I'm going to do my outline for the top. Now, as you can see, that's very light. If it's too light for you the first time around and you feel like you didn't have enough product on, that's fine. Just go back over it. Just, you know, I prefer for you to have to go over it than you put too much and now you're wiping the whole brow off to start over. That's just too much. So again, I'm coming in here, I'm just dabbing like that, and I'm just going to, again, not from the start, but right here, and I'm just going to start with light strokes, just filling in the brow. Okay? Very light, nothing heavy. Less is more, divas. Less is more. Okay? And I'm going to take, don't laugh, but these are the free brushes that they have at Sephora when the girls want to sample the mascara. I like it as an eyebrow brush. I do have this really inexpensive e.l.f. It's one side is clear, like a mascara primer, and the other is for the brows. Sometimes I go over my brow with that, but again, that has product on it, so I just need something. And this is what we're doing here. Okay. And now, remember, I didn't start up here, but my brows are really faint up there, so I'm just coming in very lightly with that line. And now I have this brush from MAC. The numbers on here, this looks like the number says 212, don't quote me. It's worn off. I use this stuff forever. But again, this is another really flat brush. Now, you guys saw a previous video that I posted on brows and how I feel about the excessive amount of product, you know, for the highlight. Very, very light, ladies. So now we're starting from the top. Now, as you can see, it wasn't a lot of product. So therefore, sometimes I'll do one more dab and I will come right under the arch because you want that to pop. And now I have another brush. This is not a MAC brush. This was some company, I think in the UK, and I ordered like an entire brush set, so I can't give you the description on that. I apologize. And I'm just going to come under and just blend that in. And then again, we are going to repeat this for the top. Again, very little product. And again, this is not throwing shade or critiquing the makeup artists or the other young ladies that have videos out there and tutorials and they go extra heavy on it. This is my opinion, and this is what I do on a day-to-day basis. And like I said, I get a lot of compliments on my eyebrows, so that's why I'm doing this tutorial. I'm no eyebrow guru. You know, I don't get paid for this. I don't work for Anastasia or anyone else. I'm just sharing my daily routine and technique. That's all. Okay, and I'm just going to come back with my little free Sephora brush, and voila, that brow is done. So this is a before and this is an after. All right, divas, I hope that this tutorial helped you guys. Leave comments below. Please subscribe to my channel and have a blessed day.